the kind me and the aban buy. So be my 24-hour economy. Let me say 24 na ya than zero economy. Me ka go si say oba ye o ma etwa adwuma ma adwuma dada na ye no eno an ye yo. Ye free hand mo an ya kwa Ashaiman. Ni akọ nsuo. Na de aba communities ni nyina o mu ne free hand mo kọ Castle Gate. O da fa free.
Enye na NDC party. Ni ne ineko ke 1980 bago neko.
Alright, ebusia, nyame sha obibia. Aha ye Ghana Nsem TV, ye best say mo be subscribe to the channel, no mo fa ma join share bra e comment section. Nyame shira nyina. Ebusia, say there's issue be a every Ashaiman eba. Ebusia mo be kaya 2024 ye to aban. Ashaiman to me pulling much vote my NDC in the Greater Accra region na. Yes, Ashaiman omuno to me pulling vote pa be brepama the NDC ever Greater Accra. Ebusia and obia so nim say Greater Accra Ashaiman one of the biggest stronghold of the NDC. Na in sema omu can say for the past 2 months ni omu ni nsure your friend nsure omu nsa nka nsure ena driver for na omukosa nsure no ba ebe toman kofo Ashaiman impotem ni bonkatama so nyina no you see omu du hoduma na e de padlock akoto nsure no say ma obi amfa say omu bisa na say it's a directive from above say nobody should fetch the water and na drivers they say President John Dramani Mahama yana ye to abama opan yana ema oba power waka kire ye say oba my 24-hour economy asisi a omu hu sa 24-hour economy na ejuma omu ye didi no so no wa be stop enti den kra na opese omu ye abusia mo ma yenko na yenko tie di omu ka na yembra na ye ba ye beto ase na me shira yi
The supply amanfo nya bi no no na nansen ne eba so no the kind no me na de aban buy. So be my 24-hour economy. Let me say 24 na ya than zero economy. Me ka go si say oba ye o ma etwa adwuma ma adwuma dada na ye no eno an ye yo. Ye free hand mo an ya kwa Ashaiman. Ni akọ nsuo. Na de aba communities ni nyina o mu ne free hand mo kọ Castle Gate. O da fa free economy Castle Gate. Zion. Apollonia, Peaceland, Teachers Land, Ochebreku, Lominava, yen supply honmo. Governments ain't me ye supplementing government, send a bayer. Na say near Becono, now only the credo back or two is you. Some moments, yes, Sabium. Yeah, Udip Carbon Nantian, Tubaco Bia, near locking Ubi someone. Obviously, order from above. Sa above, no see a nimuno. Ye two car ko bia o kosansi o pano makọ lucky e ho no so se obi antonsi o ma ene yenso ye nko ba bia biom ye te wo mesaf ye be kwa say diesel ye betena fa ko ko se obi free an ma ko fa is go amahia na sefo ho nyina ye say man mesansi o biom omo so omo ye nya problem inti they say no individuals na wo fie no including some of us we are also residents, we don't have water. People are resorted to boreholes from the brain, which is untreated. Yare abano. Merciless and journalism about in Kamumia, the Mubakonoma Cohe, as somewhere AC. If this had a government will do as ya paki and your mercy one more. Yeah, Kwajuma, on the Kumyana, Nasi a Casama no one TDR. The only option is a government be a panel as a on pest demonstration, a bad demonstration. Cassia pa, now man who say Ashaiman Hanamono, Yanni a man with the highest vote. The whole country, any man, the third highest vote. Now, see, I'm more no other transfer. That's a Uju who now Uji, dear. Yansu, you're better to talk on Eddie Channel. And
all the supplies where we get our water from to supply our people have been ordered to cease operation. The reason being that they have lost a lot of revenues. Here is the case. They have meters. So if the government is losing revenues, we think they should deal with them in their ways. But now it has affected all of us. We are supplying over 300,000 people in our area. Already, my seniors have already mentioned number of towns. Kubekum number 1 and 2. Ajikoju is part. Nebano is part. Apollonia, Zion Bridge, Agbechiri. It's a lot. We can't even get water assistance. Even the boreholes is not flowing as usual. We are only pleading with the government to see reasons with us. A lady will come. You see a lady coming, carrying basket full of water. Damn water where the cows drink. It's very, very bad. Very, very pathetic. I will urge the government to go back to do its homework well, because we also have declared a sit-down strike, for which we don't know when we are resuming back to work. Until the government responds to us, we have made it known and we've made it clear we are not going back to work. Fortunately, we've also responded to some calls. When we started this, calls were coming from all over. We hear some people calling, some MPs calling and all that, saying we are trying to sabotage the government. That's not what we are doing. We are fighting for our rights. This job that we are doing, this our work, is providing employment to a huge number of people. I was once a mate in this very work. I did that, saw myself through school, currently in the universities, not my parents' efforts, by these efforts. So when we are seizing us from work, should we become armed robbers? What do they want from us? We are only pleading with the government to respond to us. Honestly, we are not starving them. The government is starving them. When they supply us, we also supply them. We don't know where to get the water. We are just wasting our diesels. You buy diesel at a huge cost. You drive all the way about 4 kilometers. Then you come back, no water.
In NDC party. In Eko 1980, Pago Neko, NDC party. Banyana ngwane bani wa efi wenwa Zimama. Niji ajwa wache Jemendomo. Zimama ajwa wache Jemendomo. Konya mbere nya mpema de se efi ame. Niji NDC nyina mbere ma bia efi ame. Kumo bere afo enu. Kombe de tome, kombe na no enu. Kombe na hiefo ke tanki. Mapa nu common water NDC bi nyenye supply Ghana bi. Nyina mbere to Ghana. NDC bi nyina. Ke wo wie ma bia la ga won pasa sha ayeshka no na ayeshka anya me awodu papa no wanu e lo to ewo benyina o ya ni chumo ya no ato da nwa o ya be oba ofonu ngene truka na ni wo wi one NDC o ngene wana 1980s suba na eko ngene ne no media fair media ni pa na ya no nye wi eko e Ghana bi shi ngene no wa kro wonu wo yo Crow niji Zimama woyo niji heko na choja ajwa wache Presby Road jame woyo mene ma hefiame nyena bri ye foye mekwe ha shiame bi ye shia mene obra ya bi reje scoop anya ya eja ke nu homo ye wo do mene ngre twane no woda ne ye ndisi bi ade no ye twane o manye juna bla o
Abusia nsensam we ena Ashaimanfuo edi etuja na Ashaimanfuo ankasa no minim problem because this government now was Sisia. You people keep on voting for this NDC for so many years. NDC are really more. Me see, udu ukok from Ashama, ukok Bongatamanso side there. A whole pipeline that hop be insure and fame poda. Insure yakase insure for sa pipeline muno e bi am fame da. But these people are still keep on voting for the NDC. Uba Shama, they are one of the worstest town ever Greater Accra. Omuni road, no maniama bibiani hoshi nkoso Ashama haze. But these people keep on voting for the NDC for 2 months, and the government is not doing anything about it. And the MP, the DC, omuni nauma yedin. 2 months. 2 months. I mean, if you want to say a lot of people almost see pure water and no mujari pure water until also got top pure water sachets back 5 number jari, which is very bad. But you people, this is the time I was saying, sorry, na mukasa ba bebrea ye dio. Anka driver for now mukosa insurance bentona. I say ya ko ma o ma lucky win. And until almost one babon tibekasa. Utie Papana or see they have received a lot of calls. I catch them say they are trying to tarnish the image of the party, but these people are dying. Almost here is you are not able to even give them the water. You are telling them say they should stop complaining because omba begu aban ho fin. Omba begu aban ho fin say e come nsuo come e kunkofo. Nsuo come e kunkofo nti omunye di no mu. Nti omunye di no mu ansa na mu be hu say nkofo we they are really suffering. Is this what you are saying as a country? Country here, mudi gold, mudi galamse, atomunisu, galamse, nayamu, same year, and then nayamu there. So you don't think about the people, because President John Dramani Mahama Kasaka say, if they are going to retrieve the goods from the galamse, yes, any say your best insurance, your benyaska umwa, and they say nyeshi. Mibwa, is anuna, mo say she in cran koso you. You do 1 year po you, and you cram benum munya numye. The ever horn granina the padlock at tomb, some to ye fam mamma. I mean, we are mobile what? I mean, we are mobile. I think, say, by the next time I'll be able to talk about mobile dream.